Google Assistant is your personal AI buddy that has one graduating class ahead of classmates Siri, Cortana and Google Now for voice commands. It holds a two-way conversation, and actually understands context. Asking OK Google. When is the next presidential debate? Brings back a correct response in the US. Asking what channel is it on gives you an answer, too, despite the use of the word it. 3 years ago, Google foresaw that for voice searches to become truly effective, the AI would need to understand what it means, and we're finally seeing that play out in our phones with simple questions and answers. OK Google. How long does it take to get to downtown LA? Comes up with a response, always too long, and a link to Google Maps. What if I biked there? Returns a new time estimate and map with the harrowing bike route. Amazing. OK Google. What's a zebra? Followed by what color is it? Followed by show me photos. All bring back relevant results, and it's all baked into an overlay window in the operating system. We know a lot about zebras now. Just for fun, we asked, what do you think of Apple? Which resulted in they have good products. I am a fan. What do you think of Siri? Returns she seems clever. Maybe another backhanded compliment? This is the same Google Assistant that has come into the Google Home speaker to take on Amazon Echo and the e-tailer's Alexa AI. It is already an amazing rival, but not perfect,